Hey everybody, we are back in the kitchen and today we're going to do a simple salad. It's going to have a lot of ingredients in it, but it's really going to be simple. I went to the store the other day and I was going to get some packaged salad mix, and it was so expensive. I was watching two ladies that were ahead of me because we have to keep the 6 feet distance apart, and they looked at the bag, the lettuce mix, and they walked right past it and head right over to the iceberg lettuce. And believe it or not, I followed suit. When I was growing up, a salad was iceberg lettuce, sliced tomato, sometimes a little cucumber, and Miracle Whip salad dressing. That made your salad. But today we're going to throw a salad together really, really quick. It's going to be really healthy and delicious. So I've got in my bowl some iceberg lettuce. As you can see, I've cut it up. And in this plate here, I've also cut up some tomatoes, cucumber, some celery, and some carrots. And so I'm going to just sprinkle a little of each in here. Cucumber, some tomatoes, a little celery, and some carrots. We bought a chicken a few days ago and I thought we had eaten up pretty much of it. And then my husband said, "Babe, do we have enough chicken left to put on a salad?" And surprisingly, we have eaten this salad yesterday and we're going to eat it again today. So I also have some cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese that I cut up. Yesterday I shredded it, but I noticed that kind of took away from the flavor, so I just cut it in hunks today. And so I'm going to put a little bit of this cheddar cheese on here. I'm going to add the chicken. This is the chicken that I've chopped up. And so I'm going to put that right on top here. I couldn't believe I got this much chicken off of that chicken that we had left over. Okay, now I also have here an egg, boiled egg. So I'm going to slice it. Slice the egg up, and I'm going to lay it right on top of this salad. And then I have over here some black olives. And I just bought them in a can. I'm going to put about 4 or 5 in here. And we're going to top it off with some dressing. My husband likes Thousand Island. I like ranch dressing. And one of my favorites is sweet Vandalia onion. So here's our salad. Doesn't that look great? And we're going to throw down. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a nice, lovely comment and subscribe to the channel. All righty. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.